The pessimist complains about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, the realist adjusts the sails. Written words from William Arthur Ward. I'm speaking to you today to inform you about the advantages of wind energy. We're going to discuss what is wind energy, how a plant processes wind energy, and compare the cost of production of numerous energy processes. According to the U.S. Department of Energy website, wind power or wind energy describes the process by which wind is used to generate mechanical power or electricity. Many people have only seen windmills in television and in pictures. While wind flows through the windmills, it converts energy it produces into a usable resource. There are different types of windmills in use, anywhere from a small residential windmill to drive a well or a larger turbine to power your entire home. There are turbines that are used to produce energy for distribution throughout the country. Larger windmills, the ones used for distribution, require a refinery or plant to process this energy. Plants that process wind power on a larger scale are called wind farms. If you look at places like the California State website, they discuss how production on wind farms actually work. The components of a utility-scale wind farm include wind turbines, an underground power transmission system, control and maintenance facilities, and a substation that connects the farm with the entire utility power grid. Utility-scale wind turbines are classified as follows: small, less than 50 kilowatts, intermediate, 50 to 500 kilowatts, and large, anything above 500 kilowatts. Now, utility-scale wind farms are generally located in areas with an average annual wind speed of at least 13 miles an hour. Wind power is more available in certain seasons because climatic conditions do affect wind speed. While it does require a large tract of land for these wind farms, the land can also be utilized for farming or other agricultural needs. So in 2012, the state of Montana did a cost comparison between renewable and non-renewable resources. What they found is the Judith Gap Wind Facility can produce energy at about $47 a megawatt hour, while the Coal Strip Unit 4 refinery produces energy at $68. There's a $20 difference. There are integration costs associated with intermittent renewable energy, but unlike fossil fuels, with wind, the fuel price stays the same, zero. With the combination of greater output and greater capacity, these wind turbines, it nearly offsets the material and labor costs that are increasingly plaguing traditional resources. So in conclusion, I discussed what is wind energy, how a plant processes wind energy, and the cost comparison on numerous energy resources. Could you imagine getting a check from the power company instead of sending one every month? Tom Allen said it best: energy conservation is the foundation of energy independence.